Algebra 1 EOC practice test number 14. The equation A equals 1750 times 1.04 raised to the t power represents an account balance t years after the account was created. Which statement is correct? The account balance will decrease by 0.04%. The account balance will increase by 0.04%. The account balance will decrease by 4%, or the account balance will increase by 4%. All right, so this one's a little bit tricky if you don't remember the formula. If you know the formula, it shouldn't be any problem at all. But you do have to be aware that they are saying percent here. And remember, when we put this in the formula, we change from percent to decimal, so we do move it over a couple places. So the first thing I want to do is remind you of the formula. So the formula, exponential growth, 1 plus r raised to the t power. So it's exponential growth because this number is greater than 1. So we know that it is growing. So we can go ahead and eliminate the two values that say decrease. So the two values that say decrease, so the account balance will go down. That's an exponential decay, so it would actually be less than 1, is not going to be either of those two. So we have to figure out, is it B or D? And again, this is not hard, but be careful that you don't confuse decimal with percent. So we have 0.04. That's in decimal because we do 1 plus our interest rate, and we change that to a decimal. So 0.04 is equivalent to 4%. Okay, so the correct answer is D. The account balance will increase by 4%. And again, just remember, if they give you 4% and they say that you want to add 4%, you would change that to 0.04, add that to 1, and plug it into the formula, which they have done. So the 1750 is your initial value, and then it's 1 plus the growth rate raised to t, which is time in years. All right, so number 14 is D.